Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning Assistive Touch on. This gives you a persistent virtual button to confirm actions. Once done, place the button where you can reach it comfortably and open the customized top-level menu so you can add or replace a confirm action. Make sure to assign a gesture or shortcut that triggers the confirmation prompt. You'll want the control immediately accessible, so rearrange icons now to avoid fumbling later. You'll now add the actual confirm control. Tap the menu icon you want to replace, then pick Confirm or a custom shortcut that you created for confirmations. If you need a gesture, record it here. That gesture will be replayed to trigger the confirmation UI. Once saved, practice tapping the Assistive Touch button and selecting your new confirm entry. This ensures you know the sequence and that the system responds as expected before proceeding. You finish by using the confirm entry whenever an action needs explicit approval. Tap the floating button, choose confirm, and complete the task. If the confirm doesn't work, re-record the custom gesture or reassign the menu slot. Small timing or placement issues cause most failures. If problems persist, restart your device or toggle Assistive Touch off and on to refresh settings. Finally, make sure any app permission or alert is visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.